Resetting a Vissani Portable AC is a crucial first step for troubleshooting common issues such as error codes like E1 or E2, unresponsive controls, or a frozen display. The fundamental principle is to clear temporary glitches by interrupting the unit's electrical flow and rebooting its internal microcontroller. The most common and widely applicable method is power cycling. First, unplug the unit from its power source. Then wait for 30 to 60 seconds to allow the capacitors to fully discharge. Finally, plug the unit back in. This simple step often resolves over 60% of reported faults. Many Vissani models have a reset button, often recessed on the back or side panel near the power cord. Press and hold this button for 5 to 10 seconds while the unit is plugged in. Always emphasize safety. Ensure the AC is off and unplugged before any physical manipulation to prevent electrical hazards. Newer Vissani models from mid-2024 and 2025 feature advanced smart reset capabilities for easier troubleshooting. For IoT-connected smart models, use the Vissani mobile app available on iOS and Android to initiate remote resets wirelessly. These models integrate with smart home ecosystems, allowing resets via voice commands through Alexa or Google Home. According to experts, resets are effective for 70 to 80% of portable AC malfunctions, clearing software glitches and minor issues. However, resets have limitations and do not fix hardware failures such as low refrigerant indicated by E1 error codes. They also cannot resolve significant dust buildup, which requires professional cleaning to maintain proper function. If multiple resets fail to resolve the issue, it may indicate an underlying problem requiring professional attention rather than just a software glitch.